We're a family of four, me, my husband and two children, small children, and so my little boy is a disabled child, and so we were given direct payments about a year ago. We applied when he was a baby, but we were refused direct payments, and so then about a year ago we got the good news that it had gone to panel and that they had given us a few hours a week. So these are really precious to us, these hours, because that's our respite. And so we have a wonderful PA carer that comes in. She's fantastic with him, and so they have fun together. He really enjoys going with the carer. So they go to soft play, swimming, farms, all over really. He gets to choose where he goes with the carer, so it's a big treat. I suppose I heard about it on the grapevine. I've got lots of friends with disabled children, so many of my friends have children with Down syndrome, autism, genetic conditions which are undiagnosed, so we kind of mix in those circles. And the word on the street was that direct payments were very nice if you could get them, very difficult to get, so that's why we tried to get them.